Behold, the coastal goblin, and here's Steven Seagull waiting at the window. Perched like a judgmental gargoyle, he peers inside, not hungry, merely unimpressed by human existence. The human, desperate to connect, offers a banana. Steven sniffs, sneers, and silently proclaims it an affront to birdkind. Like all refined food critics, he flaps off in search of something with actual flavor, preferably between two slices of bread. Enter Carl, loyal, confused, and almost certainly lactose intolerant. Steven mounts him like a knight on a feathered scooter. Their quest, the sacred temple of snacks, 7-Eleven. Steven storms the snack aisle with tactical precision. His target, one glorious tuna sandwich, eyes locked. In one daring swoop, Steven grabs the sandwich and blasts through the automatic doors. Victorious, behind him chaos, feathers, and one very angry Brenda.